Hello traders, and welcome to another video review and technical analysis of the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. Today is Monday, August 7th, 2023. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin to Tether. As you can see, I'm using here classical technical analysis. I got some moving averages, RSI, and of course the Fibonacci retracement levels. And let's start with the Fibonacci because it looks kind of important here. We just tested the 38% of the last up wave towards 31,525, and this 38% retracement level is located at 29,017 tethers. There was a spike lower with a local low at the level of 28,800. So it looks like the market participants want to test either 100 periods moving average and then 50% Fibonacci retracement level, 28,223, or even 60% Fibonacci retracement level, 27,445, and 200 periods moving average. All right, so it looks like this is the last wave to the upside on the daily time frame chart, and now we are correcting this up move here. One of the key short-term technical resistance on the other hand is located roughly around the level of 29,700, and of course because 30,000 is very close, so the 30,000 is the next one as well. As you can see, this level has been tested 1, 2, 3, 4 times, then it was violated, consolidation, local low, buying action, and then again rejection from 29,700. Local spike, of course, in the meantime was made to 29,870. Since then, another movement to the downside is in progress, with the RSI located at the level of 43 points, which means the overall momentum is still weak, it's negative, and the negative sentiment, the pessimistic sentiment prevails on the Bitcoin market. So what we should expect next? If the 29,700 level, which is acting right now as a technical resistance, maybe I will just make it red as well. If this level is not violated, then of course we should see deeper pullback lower towards 100 periods moving average, 50% Fibonacci retracement, or even 61% Fibonacci retracement. There is nothing wrong with the price action continuing to move so low and then reversing higher. Nothing wrong, because those are the three most important, the strongest, the most popular Fibonacci retracement levels. So plenty of the other market participants will focus on this level and will wait for the way the bulls and bears play out these levels. All right, so please stay focused, stay vigilant, because despite the recent, maybe not that very active days, we are still heading lower. There is still few levels waiting to be played out on the Bitcoin to Tether, and when it's done, when this corrective structure, this pullback to the downside is done, we still expect the movement up. We still expect the breakout to the upside, of course backed up by the increasing momentum. So that's the update of the Bitcoin to Tether analysis on the Zondacrypto. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.